How to change your boring lifestyle. Easy and realistic methods. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Glow with grace every single day. Have you ever woken up and felt the whole day is on repeat? Like you were stuck in this weird loop of waking up. Scrolling through TikTok for an hour. No judgment. Eating. Sleeping, and this cycle never ends. Your life feels like a dull playlist. And repeat. Don't worry, you're not alone. I've been there, like 1,000 times. No hustle culture, no overwhelming routines. Just soft, cozy habits to bring back your sparkle. Let's go. Chapter 1. Romanticize your mornings. So, let's start from the very first moment you wake up. You don't have to be that 5 a.m. superhuman doing a whole checklist before the sun shows up. Let's be honest for a second. Wake up just 20 minutes earlier. To feel calm, not rushed. First things first. Water in the morning. No coffee as you wake up. Bonus point. Add lemon if you want a little glow. Small things matter. While doing skincare. As you go through your skincare routine or even just wash your face with water, play a soft playlist. Wear a cozy robe or your favorite oversized shirt. Wear your favorite scent. Sit near the window and relax. Before checking your phone, take one deep breath and whisper. Today will be soft. Today will be good. Today's my day. You don't have to go full on meditation guru or anything. Just those few little things can make your entire morning feel different. It's all about creating a vibe, and remember, small things matter. Chapter 2. Micro wins for motivation. Okay, real talk. You're not lazy. You're unmotivated by boring routines. So, let's make them cute. Start with micro wins. Make your bed beautifully. Clean one drawer. Light a candle. Dress up a little. These tiny wins trick your brain into feeling accomplished. And that feeling of momentum. It's like magic. Chapter 3. 10-minute reset. Feeling low or drained? Do a 10-minute reset. It changes everything. Set a 10-minute timer. First, tidy one small spot. Do 10 slow stretches. Put phone on airplane mode. This is how you reboot your sparkle. Soft, not stressful. Chapter 4. 5-minute skincare routine. When life feels boring, your skin feels it too. So here's a simple, soft 5-minute routine to bring back your glow. Step 1. Cleanse. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. No scrubbing. No rushing. Step 2. Hydrate. Use a toner or mist. Let your skin drink a little water. Hydration equals glow. Step 3. Serum. Pick one serum that matches your skin. Niacinamide glow. Hyaluronic acid moisture. Salicylic acid acne. Vitamin C brightness. Step 4. Moisturizer. Use a soft, light moisturizer. Massage gently upward. Let your skin feel hugged and calm. Step 5. Sunscreen. Sunscreen makes your glow last. It protects every soft thing you just did. Never skip it. A 5-minute routine isn't basic. It's consistent. And it keeps you glowing even on busy days. Chapter 5. Weekly life edits. We've romanticized our mornings, got our micro wins. Now let's level up. Add 1. Remove 1. Refresh 1. Add a morning walk. A new piece of fresh fruit to your diet. A new book to read. Remove one toxic habit. Avoid distractions. And finally, refresh your vision board. Change lock screen wallpaper. Make a new planner setup. Chapter 6. Romanticize meals. Aesthetic meals are game changers. Okay, real talk. Honestly, the way you eat shows up in the way you feel. And no, You don't need to prep Pinterest meals every evening. Even if dinner is just something simple and comforting, totally fine. We've all done that. Use cute plates. Add some fruit or lemon to your water for those cafe vibes. And most importantly, sit down to eat. No phones, no distractions, just peace and quiet. Aesthetic food can turn plain instant ramen into a 5-star moment, and that completely changes how you feel. Chapter 7. Create a glowback list. Prepare a glowback list for boring or sad days. Write 5 feel-good tasks. Do journaling. Apply a soothing face mask. Sit near the window and relax. Write down 5 productive tasks. Tidy up your desk. Rewrite your goals. Fold your clothes. Write 5 comfort rituals. Have a warm drink. Wear your cuddliest socks. Do deep breathing exercises. On low-energy days, don't overthink. Just pick one thing from the list. It brings you back. Chapter 8. Soft side hustles. Use your free time to create, not just scroll. Side hustle list. Digital journaling. Printable stickers. Make handmade clips or keychains. Chapter 9. Try one new thing weekly. Take a new direction on your next walk. You might stumble across a cute little cafe you've never noticed before, the type that makes you want to sit down and stay a while. Try experimenting with a new artistic hobby, like creating small acrylic artworks with relaxing colors or shaping tiny clay bowls, vases, and cute pieces that look like they came straight from an aesthetic little studio. Try switching up your hairstyle a little. Make cute buns, a sleek high pony, or playful twin braids. And those pretty clips you've been saving for the perfect moment? Use them now. This is the moment. Add them in, let them shine. You'll be surprised how something so small can make your whole look feel a little magical. Now, let's dive into a new little kitchen adventure: fluffy pancakes or delicate crepes, golden and soft, that slowly fill your space with their warm, comforting scent. Stirring, flipping, and watching them cook feels like a tiny, magical ritual, a quiet moment that turns an ordinary morning into something soft, cozy, and completely aesthetic. Chapter 10. Slow down to glow up. Sometimes boredom is a sign that you need to rest, not hustle. So, allow yourself to grow slowly and glow beautifully. Read at night. Journal by warm light. Bake something simple. Not everything needs to be changed. You just have to feel something. And that's how your glow up returns. Remember, your life changes through tiny moments. Skip the scroll, choose one gentle habit, and repeat it tomorrow. A calm mind and a soft routine will bring your sparkle back. You're glowing already. If you made it up to here, comment the word lifestyle down below. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to comment below which tip you're going to try first. Let's glow up together, gracefully and aesthetically. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also like, subscribe, share, comment, and watch my other videos. This motivates me a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care and live gracefully.